Hi everyone and welcome back to MZ Learning. Today I am going to show you how to get old macOS installers in app format directly from Apple. I am talking about the installers, not the DMG files that we typically download from Apple website. Getting macOS installers on a modern operating system can be quite difficult because when we install these DMG files on a newer Mac or a modern operating system, we receive an error stating that the installer is not compatible with our system. So, how can we get these installers on a newer Mac? Let me show you how. Visit the Apple support page to download the required macOS installer. First, we download the installer in DMG format and then convert it to the app format. I will download macOS X Line and macOS Sierra. You can feel free to download any other version of your choice. After downloading, go to your downloads folder and open the install macOS X Line file. This DMG file contains the macOS installer in zip format in PKG format. Usually we would install this PKG file to transfer the macOS installer to our application folder. But on modern Macs, this may result in an error. To resolve this, we need to extract the file manually. So, we need to install a reliable extraction tool such as RAR extractor. Once installed, right-click on the PKG file and extract the macOS installer. After the extraction is complete, navigate to the extracted folder. Inside, you will find several files, including the install macOS X file. Right-click on this file and select Show Package Contents. Next, locate the install ESD file and drag it to your desktop. Now we need to install a virtualization software such as UTM, VMware or Parallel Desktop. UTM is free while the other two require a purchase. However, both offer trial version that are sufficient for our needs. Anyway, after downloading the software, install macOS X Line on a virtual machine. Once macOS X Line is installed, drag your desired macOS X DMG file into the virtual machine environment. Open this DMG file and install it on the virtual machine. You should not encounter any errors this time, and within a few minutes, the macOS installer will appear in your application folder. You can repeat the same steps for other installers. Finally, drag these installers into your current operating system's application folder. That's it. Now it's easy to create a bootable USB drive of macOS Sierra or use Mac using terminal. So friends, this is how you can obtain old macOS installers on your modern Mac. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and consider subscribing to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.